Actually, we have a little surprise for you. It's not a repair. Harriet nominated you for our Make Mom Sparkle competition online, or through Channel 17, for being a great mom. So that is the surprise today, and it's our honor as Grunos to make you sparkle a little bit more this year.
Beautiful.
Would you like to wear it?
Yes. Oh, goodness. Oh.
Can I do the honors?
Yes, you may.
Oh.
Happy Mother's Day early, Mom.
Oh, thank you, baby. Oh, my goodness.
From her story she typed, you deserve it.
Oh. I just